We'll move on to question 13. Sorry, I'll just erase this part. Mrs. Lee bought 3 kg of flour. She used 900 grams of it. What fraction of the flour had she left? So first thing, units are different. You have to try to make it the same. So 1 kg is 1000 grams. So to convert from kg to gram, you times 1000. The reverse will be divided by 1000. So 3 kg is just 3 times 1000, which is 3000 grams. Okay, so now they are asking for fraction that was left. So the fraction, the numerator will be what's left, and the denominator should be what is the total. So how much was left? She bought 3000. She used up 900. So she's only left with 3000 minus 900 grams, right? And total will be 3000. So if you simplify things, you should get 2100 over 3000. Cancel the 0. You get 21 over 30. Both are divisible by 3. So you should get 7 over 10. And hence the answer is option 4.